Hi everyone, this is Chef Eric Teo and welcome to FairPrice Chinese New Year Cooking Special. Today I'll be presenting to you our family treasure soup. I'm using Jinlihua fishball with fish roe filling. Yes, it's going to be a very rich and hearty soup. So let's prepare the ingredients and the stock as well. So firstly, I'm going to deep fry the carrot cake. So this carrot cake cut into dice and we're going to deep fry in the hot oil. This is going to give you a good texture outside and it won't mash up when it's boiling in the soup. Okay, so this is ready. I'm going to set this aside. And of course, I have to prepare the stock as well. So bonito flakes with 1.5 to 2 liter water. Okay. So water is boiling. We're going to transfer bonito flakes into the pot and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so we're going to strain out the bonito flakes. So the soup is clear. Bonito flakes has been strained. We're going to set this aside. So I have long cabbage here and Chinese celery. So I'm going to take out 4 leaflets. Okay, so I'm going to start to cook all my ingredients right now. I'm going to bring in the mushrooms, the daigong, the minced pork, and as well as the Jinlihua fishball with fish roe filling. I'm going to bring this up to heat, and I'm going to fry the minced pork first. Now I'm going to add my mushrooms, as well as my cabbage. Okay, so for now, I'm going to add a little bit of fish sauce to season and a dash of pepper. And finally, we add the daigong. Okay, so we're going to transfer everything back to the bonito flake stock. And we're going to bring this to a boil. So since it is boiling already, I'm going to put my Chinese celery, right? Lots of Chinese celery, right? Because this really adds the flavor into it. Okay, right now we're going to add the carrot cake, the fried carrot cake earlier. So right now I'm going to put the fishball with filling. Why I call it family treasure is because that during Chinese New Year, your long cabbage, your mushrooms, maybe these are from your steamboat that is left over, you can't finish. So the next day for lunch or dinner, you make a very nice soup which is only you can find in a family. And most importantly, you use the Jinlihua fishball with fish roe filling. So this is really a family treasure. So I'm going to dish out right now. We're going to garnish this with some fried garlic and shallots. So you have it here, our family treasure soup. I hope you have enjoyed this cooking video and try out this recipe with your family and friends. I can tell you it's very different. Jinlihua fishball with fish roe filling, it changes the entire soup. So on behalf of FairPrice, we wish you Happy Chinese New Year and 恭喜发财.